Okay, in this video, I'm going to do a sound comparison between this, quote, General Electric Model 402 Serenade from 1940 and this Revere R913 from 1964. This one will go off first. I said it a little fast so I could hear them separate. This clock sounds quite good for its size. It's only, if I remember correctly, 10 inches wide. And now, over to the R913. Like I said, this is a 1964. Uses a much smaller movement than that one does. That one uses what I call the big boy. I paid $10 for this one, so that's a pretty good deal in my opinion. Uses a H10 rotor, which is much smaller than the B3s that the old ones use, but does the same job. This one runs very quiet. Shouldn't be too much longer. This clock was Revere's most popular Westminster chain. They made this clock for 40 years. Long time. So they're not hard to find at all. I recommend everybody should have one of these, whether it be an older one or a newer one. I like both. And that was the third quarter of this one. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And as you can tell, this one chimes much faster than the other one. And that's okay. I still like the way it sounds. Like, share, and subscribe if you want, and catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.